I was first working for 6 months in Logatec in asylum home, and now since January I'm working here in the office of Slovenska Filantropia for another 3 months project, mainly again also with the children from asylum home in Vic. I work like 4 hours a day, like from 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the afternoon, but sometimes depend of the activities. I could work in the morning, in the afternoon, in the weekend. So as an engineer by profession, actually I'm seeking for an engineer job. But since I'm here, I try to apply for many different companies, but I didn't succeed. I mean, I didn't get any answer. Last 6 years when I was working in Morocco, I had, of course, 8 hours work job. I was traveling abroad, like to Europe, to Africa. I had my work car. Yeah, like different facilities, as I call it, like to be more comfortable at work. Here I have only this minimum health service. All the offers that I found online, it's like more required Slovenian language. But in my point of view, I believe that it's not really necessary. As an Arabic speaker and French speaker, maybe I could bring something more to the local companies here, so they can be more open to different countries. They give me like 120 hours to go to study the language, and in Cena Stuper. But since last year, every time I applied, like 2 times I applied, they said that it's full and I need to apply for the next season. In Morocco, when we work in the company, we are like one family because we spend more time together than we spend it with our real family, like brothers and sisters and parents or partner or whatever. When I used to work in Morocco, every morning we come in the company, it's like, good morning, looking in the eyes and good morning. From the guy in the parking, like to the first people, shake hands and say hi, how are you, and really shake hands every morning. But here, since I work like for some months now, I think that I never like give a kiss to any of my girls colleagues, or even, I don't know. It's for me, it's really, I mean, I understand it, it's different. I don't say it's something bad, but it's totally different. Yeah, in Morocco we are really warm.